Winning a medal at the Olympics has been my childhood dream since I was about 8 years old and I did my first triathlon. I was a pretty intense kid and told everyone I knew that I wanted to win an Olympic medal. Getting to this point has been years and years of work. Lots of training, lots of sacrifices. I mean, my husband, he's fully committed to this dream as well, and we don't really do much outside of swim, bike, run, and I mean, that's kind of what it takes. It's pretty exciting to realize that that dream to come true is looming, and I'm really proud to represent Bermuda in the Olympics. I mean, of course, it's where I was born and raised, so that's very special, but also we don't have many Olympians, and we don't have many Olympians that have a chance of winning a medal. So for me, I feel like it's a greater cause in my personal dream. It's like doing it for everyone in Bermuda. It's just a beautiful island. Very lush and tropical, beautiful crystal clear water. The people are just vibrant. It's really important for me to have launched the Flora Fund because I've realized how much sport has impacted my life and opened so many doors and given me so many opportunities that now that I have this platform, I wanted to be able to give back to the community of Bermuda to give them the same opportunities that I had.